And thanks for tuning to the weather. We still could add a few more inches there. Washington, D.C. up to 22, and New York City 17, and looking for possibly a foot more, but certainly 6 inches is within reason. Now look at this. Snowfall, you can't get away from it, and I'll tell you what. Okay, certainly. We haven't seen one like this for a while as it rolls up into the East Coast and the Northeast. New England seeing a lot of heavy snow now, and we'll detail that for you. It is a major storm, though. It's put down a foot to almost 2.5 feet of snow in some areas like Philadelphia, and it's not even through yet. I'll show you what's happening on the radar here. The action continues to roll into the major cities from Boston, Hartford, down through New York City, Long Island, and through New Jersey. We've had some heavy snow really reported everywhere, even some thunder snow in parts of New Jersey. So it's really coming down out there. Now a close-up showing what's happening. You can see Philadelphia still seeing the snow. Atlantic City, it has been kind of a mixture here and fairly light, although the heavier snow has been inland a little ways. Hartford, Springfield, all seeing snow at this hour. Occasionally heavy snow, and looking at 1, possibly 2 inches per hour in some areas, so it's still really coming down. That low pressure has also got a lot of wind with it wrapping around. This system is really cranking up, and a few showers in the northwest. Let's go back.